among the traditional businesses and occupations of the people of some countries around the world. Usually, sheep farming is done commercially for the purpose of meat, milk, and wool production. Commercial sheep farming business is very profitable. Sheep farming business can be a great source of income and for eradicating poverty from the barren, desert, semi-arid and mountainous areas. Select a suitable farm location. A good, clean and fresh water source, availability of adequate amount of greens, good medication, suitable transportation and proper marketing are the essential. Purchase quality breeds. Some popular sheep breeds are listed. Bannur, Bellary, Cheviot, Deccani, Hassan, Merino, Ramboullet, Sultan. Housing. Raise them with other livestock animals in small scale production. If you intend to raise 10 sheep, then you have to make a house with 10 feet long and 20 feet wide. Keep the roof at least 6 feet high from the floor. Feed. Broken maize, broken gram, wheat, mineral salt and salt. Care. Good care and management can ensure maximum profit from your sheep farming business. Purchase quality and productive breeds. Feed them nutritious food and make a suitable house for them. Vaccinate them timely to prevent them from various types of sheep diseases. Marketing. In case of marketing, you can try your local livestock market.